Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Everyone talks about how great it is to use argan oil in your hair, but have you ever thought about using it for your face? I started using argan oil about 5 years ago as both a moisturizer and a cleanser for my skin, and I have never been happier. One of my favorite brands is this Cliganic 100% organic argan oil. I keep both a bottle in my shower and in my medicine cabinet so that I never run out because I love this stuff. I use it in place of a cleanser in the shower. I do 1 dropper full and put it on my face and let it sit the whole time I'm in there. I rinse it off just before I get out, and then when I get out, I take 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. And I put it on my face as a moisturizer. I like that it's quick absorbing and it goes on really smooth. It's not too thick, not too thin. It has a very mild scent, maybe a little nutty, but nothing too strong. I have never been happier with my skin since using this product. Maybe you should check it out. That's just my point of view.